Welcome back, smart shoppers! Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two heavyweights, the Elegoo Mars 4 and the Creality Ender-3 V3. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about price. The Elegoo Mars 4 is priced at $309, while the Creality Ender-3 V3 comes in slightly cheaper at $299. So for just $10 less, you might be able to buy yourself a spool of filament. Now, let's discuss speed. The Mars 4. It's like comparing a leisurely Sunday stroll to a Formula One race. Quality is king, right? The Mars 4 has a 7 inches 9K mono LCD screen with a resolution of 8,520 * 4,320 pixels, making it perfect for high-quality miniatures and model kits. Meanwhile, the Ender-3 V3 KE offers a 0.1 mm printing accuracy. Both are praised by reviewers for their print quality, but they cater to different needs. Elegoo Mars 4 uses a COB UV light source with 36 LEDs, enhancing model details. On the other hand, Creality Ender-3 V3 KE features dual fans for fast model cooling. It's like having a personal assistant, fanning your freshly printed masterpiece. The Mars 4 features a laser-carved build plate for extra grip. The Ender-3 V3 KE, however, boasts a precision-engineered structure with ball bearings, making it smooth and stable. Reviewers appreciate the stability and grip these features offer. The Mars 4 comes with Voxel Dance Tango slicing software and a 3.5-inch touchscreen for model preview. The Ender-3 V3 KE offers an intuitive touch UI screen and real-time model preview. Reviewers find both software options user-friendly and effective. When it comes to user experience, Elegoo Mars 4 offers a year-long warranty and quick customer support. Creality Ender-3 V3 KE also provides 12-month support but includes extras like phone control, Wi-Fi, and USB drive options. It's like choosing between a Swiss Army knife and a regular knife. Both are effective, but one does a lot more. Reviewers have praised the Elegoo Mars 4 for its excellent print quality, especially for miniatures and model kits, despite some issues with the instruction manual. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is lauded for its speed and versatility, though some users have experienced technical issues. Thanks for tuning in, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on which printer you think wins this battle and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart.